Hi everybody, my name is Dre, Saudi Crap, Chanchu Dre Crap, and that's to my Thailand audience, and Ni Hao Ma Wusu Lao Su to my Taiwanese audience and Hong Kong audience. I've been teaching for 6 years, 3 years in the classroom and 3 years online. I have taught close to 7,000 students online now. I love teaching. I have taught all ages. I have taught students that are 4 years old, little babies, and I've taught students that are close to 50 years old. I've taught doctors, I've taught nurses, and I can teach everybody. I love teaching English. I think English is a great subject to teach. It's lots of fun to teach. You can move around. And today I just want to introduce my business to you. And my business's name is TAP ESL, Teach and Play English Second Language. And I have prepared a small class for you today of just 5 minutes. It's quite a fun class, and it's just about where is the 7-Eleven? Directions in English. I hope you enjoy the class and welcome. Okay, so today we're going to be learning where is the 7-Eleven? Where is the 7-Eleven? So this is to go straight ahead. Just to go straight, okay? Easy. We can say go straight ahead, or we can say go straight. This is turn right. Pretty simple. Turn right. Turn right. I'm going to turn right at the next stop. I'm going to turn right when I see the hospital. Okay. Turn left. Turn left. I am going to turn left at the hospital. I'm going to turn left at the restaurant. I'm going to turn left at the 7-Eleven. All right, so now when somebody says to you, when somebody says, where is the 7-Eleven? You can say, take the first right and it will be on your left. Take the first right and it will be on your left. All right, next we can say, take the second left and it'll be on your right. Take the second left and it'll be on your right. It's at the end of the street. Where is the 7-Eleven? It's at the end of the street. Remember, we can say, take the first right, it's on your left. Take the first right, it's on your left. We can say, take the second left, it's on your right. Take the second left, it's on your right. And now we can say, where is the 7-Eleven? It's at the end of the street. It's at the end of the street. We can also say simply, it's on the right. It's on the right. Walk straight, walk straight. It's on the right. Walk straight, it's on the left. Walk straight, it's on the left. So somebody can ask you, say, oh, where is the 7-Eleven? I don't know where the 7-Eleven is. It's on the left. It's on the right. So here we can say, it's on the right. And here we can say, it's on the left. So that's the simple little English class that I have for you today. If you have any questions, you can ask them down below in the comment section below. I'll paste the link to my booking page if you want to take a free class with me. It's free, $0, free, okay, no money. And if you enjoy the class, well then, yeah, maybe you join me in future lessons and future classes. Anyway, nice to meet you. I hope you have a good day. And please like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't and if you're new. Just a quick one before I go. You don't just have to say 7-Eleven. We can also say, where is the hospital? It's on the left. Where is the post office? It's on the right. You can also say, where is the bookstore? Take the first left. It's on the right. Take the second left. It's on the right. Cool. Thank you very much. Have a good day.